Our next set of problems, which we will refer to as level 3 problems, have opposite sign numbers in and out of the parentheses. Again, our objective is to simplify algebraic expressions using the distributive property. Algebraic means we're going to run into variables, math that has variables. So if we look at this, we can see that we have a negative number outside and a positive number inside. So we'll start our process as usual. We're going to take our negative 7 times n, negative 7 times n, or 1n, and then negative 7 times 9. And you're going to notice a plus sign in front of that 9. So I'm going to look at this like negative 7 times positive 9. So if I do this, I'm going to say negative 7n when I multiply, and negative 7 times positive 9. I'll use my marker face, negative 7 and positive 9 is negative. So I'm going to choose to write this negative 63 as a minus 63. So there is another way to complete this problem, and it's sometimes taught this way. Negative 7 times n, drop down the plus sign, and then negative 7 times 9. Now when I do this, I'm going to get negative 7n, just like the other side, plus negative 63. These two expressions are equivalent, but we prefer to see one sign. If I take away 63, that's a loss of 63. It moves me down the number line. If I add a negative 63, that's also a loss of 63 and moves me down the number line. But we prefer this way, and I refer to this as the high school way. You're going to notice that we used our addition sign as a positive 9 here, but if you prefer, you can drop down this sign, go ahead and multiply it as a positive 9 either way. We just prefer to write one sign. So let's look at the common errors. You'll notice a theme throughout this. The most common error is to remember to multiply the negative 7 times n, but forget about multiplying negative 7 times the 9. That's the most frequent common error. The next is to multiply negative 7 times n, and look at this negative 7 plus 9 and think you're supposed to add them or combine them, leaving us with plus 2. The final error would be that not acknowledging that we actually have a negative 7. And so, again, negative 7n, that's usually the easiest for our brain to our eyes to see and to represent. Those two things go together after we notice a pattern. However, a common error might be writing plus 63, not acknowledging that this negative and this positive become a negative 63. Thank you, and would you please take the exit ticket after you're done making corrections on your practice problems.